Hello, I'm Chris Gillen, President of William Douglas Management. Today in our Preventive Maintenance series, we're going to discuss the plumbing vent stack. A plumbing vent stack is part of the sewage removal system inside a home or a building. This vent or pipe is generally located inside the walls of the structure and exits through the roof. The purpose or need of this vent is to allow sewer gases to escape and to provide air for sewage to drain properly. For plumbing to function and drain properly, there must be air in the sewer line. A good analogy is to take a drinking straw and place in a glass of water. Let water enter the straw and place your thumb over the end of the straw. Leaving your thumb on the end of the straw, lift the straw out and the water stays in the straw. Remove your thumb and thus allowing water to flow out of the straw is in essence how air works to clear plumbing lines. Vent stack plumbing problems occur when air does not flow freely into and out of the vent. Debris such as leaves, birds, and bees' nests commonly find their way into these vents and restrict airflow. These types of blockages not only restrict the flow of sewage, but also keep sewer gases from venting. These sewer gases are then forced to vent or escape through the sink or tub drains within the plumbing system. Recent building codes require caps or covers to be installed on top of these vent stacks. These vent caps come in a number of designs but basically provide a screen that keeps debris out while allowing sewer gases to escape. If the installation of the vent stack occurred before the code requirements for caps, or if the caps are missing, these protective caps are easy and economical to retrofit to existing vents.